Okay, Imaginative is happening outside of the TIFF Bell Lightbox, as you can see. It's all based on mainly superheroes. Wow. The logo is designed like a superwoman or something like that. Neat, huh? Well, I'm pretty sure you got something like wires all leading up to that. But then again, it's worth the fun right out here. It's good doing something on set, huh? Yeah. Very good. When you see set, you got it. Oh my. Well, something. Well, shoot up here, down there. That's what's happening. Ooh, yeah.